Okay, here's another really nourishing spine focus sequence that we can do lying on the floor. This will be really relaxing and restorative. So have a comfortable mat, have a pillow or a cushion nearby, and we're gonna begin on your back. And you can just relax here for a moment with your knees bent or with your legs straight. And just take a second here for your body to melt into the floor. Just notice what parts of you are able to be heavy and what parts might be holding on a little bit. And just give those areas some breath. Nice. Now from here, we'll begin by bending the knees if they're not already. Bring your feet so that they're wider, a little bit wider than your hips. And you can open your arms out to the side like a T, palms face up. Feel your arms really heavy on the ground. Allow your collarbones to widen away from each other. And we'll take a big breath in to prepare. And exhale, let your knees just fall to one side and floating them up. And exhale, let them fall to the other side. So just exploring these windshield wipers here for yourself. Remember, we're not pushing or forcing. We're just allowing the weight of your bones to fall, allowing gravity to do its job here. And just notice how this feels down in the hips, in the low back, up the spine. Nice. And now from here, let your knees fall to one side. We'll take a little pause. Now with your legs staying as they are, now you're going to reach one arm. So if your legs are going to the right, then let your left arm come up over your head, feeling this nice reach, nice length through the side body. And then beginning to curl over, rolling over slightly. See if you can keep your head connected to the floor as you come into a little twist. So we're opening up the back ribs, allowing the spine to rotate. And then reach the arm back up overhead and coming back to your starting position. And then on the other side, let your knees fall to the left. And then reach your right arm up as you come up and over and around, passing through a little bit of a side stretch and continuing to curl forward and coming back. So you could explore this movement here several times for yourself. Just rolling on the floor is a really nice way to soften the body, to work on sequential movement patterns, and just to get out of the rigid, linear movement that we often find ourselves in. So just take this time here to explore how it feels to roll on the floor with nice soft edges, noticing if you're wanting to hold your breath. Keep the breath moving. Nice. Great. And from here, we'll come back to center. And now hug your knees into your chest. You can bring one knee in first and then the other knee. And just explore a little rock side to side. This is a nice, nourishing movement for the low back, bringing some flexion into the lumbar spine. And if that feels good in your body, you could always reach your feet up a little bit and hold more on the ankles or even on the feet. Feeling your knees fold more towards your chest. Maybe your knees even graze the outside of your ribs into this happy baby position. And again, you can explore a little shift side to side or just pause it in the middle. Take a big breath in and let it go. Good, big breath in and let it go. Nice. From here, we'll slowly lower the legs down. And now we're going to move into a little bit more of a chest and thoracic spine opener. So you can bring your pillow here to support your head. Now you're going to roll onto your side body, having both knees bent, hips are stacked on top of each other, arms reaching out in front, and we're going to do some open the books. So simply reach your fingertips forward and up to the sky, rotating your chest, turning your head so you see your hand the whole way, coming into this nice rotation, opening through the collarbones, opening through the rib cage. And then follow the hand back as you come back. Nice. You can also explore this with the arm reaching above the head, opening up more into the lats and the side body as you rotate all the way back to that open book position. Breathe here. Let it go. And coming on back. Nice. So feel free to explore whatever version of this feels better for you, or you could do both, noticing the differences. And if you want a little extra rotation or a little extra opening for the low back, you can bring that top leg forward and come into a full twist here. Breathing in, letting go. Nice. And slowly return, coming back. And slowly make your way over to the other side. And same thing here, setting yourself up and reaching the arm up, rotate the head, rotate the ribs, open the chest. And first just notice where it lands, notice how this side may feel different from the first side. And as always, that is okay. And you can try reaching the arm up, overhead, opening through the lats, opening through the pecs, finding this nice twist. And do a few passes of either of these. And then on your last one, you can try holding it a little longer, and you could also bring that top leg forward and finding a stretch that feels deep but not painful. Something that you could melt into, something that you could hold for 4 or 5 breaths and feel at ease. Nice. Breathing in to expand. Breathing out to let go. And when you're ready, slowly coming back around. And we can finish here just on your back again, removing that pillow. You give your legs a little wiggle. And now just notice how your body feels connecting to the floor.